Hey there, I'm Raymond, and I run my own business. Well, at least I thought I did until recently. You see, I had this assistant who was, well, let's just say we had our challenges. It was like playing a never-ending game of telephone. You know, where the message gets more garbled with each pass? Task management. Forget about it. Notes from meetings would vanish into thin air. I felt like I was drowning in a sea of inefficiency, desperately treading water just to stay afloat. One day, after redoing an entire project from scratch, I'd had enough. That's when I made a decision that would change everything. I fired my assistant and replaced them with ChatGPT. At first, I was skeptical. I mean, could AI really handle the complexities of my business? It felt like I was taking a leap into the unknown with no safety net below. I started small. Email management, data entry, the basics. To my surprise, ChatGPT breezed through these tasks with incredible speed and accuracy. It was like watching a master chef effortlessly prepare a gourmet meal while I struggled to boil water. Encouraged, I started giving it more complex tasks: research, content creation, even strategic planning. But then, something incredible happened. A client needed a complex report, and I was swamped, so I turned to ChatGPT. I gave it some data, a few guidelines, and crossed my fingers. What happened next blew my mind. The report was perfect. It wasn't just good, it was exceptional. Detailed, insightful, and presented beautifully. My client was amazed, thinking I'd spent hours on it. When I told them it was AI generated, they couldn't believe it. That was my light bulb moment. ChatGPT wasn't just a tool, it was a game changer. If you're an entrepreneur struggling with efficiency, trust me. AI might just be the solution you're looking for. Think of it as having a superpowered assistant that never sleeps, never complains, and always delivers. Of course, it's not perfect. There's still a learning curve, and you need to know how to guide it effectively. But the potential? It's mind-blowing. We're standing on the brink of a new era in business operations. So, are you ready to revolutionize your business with AI? The future is here, and it's pretty exciting.